Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhal Matungda Manipur Da Ahum Rak Suba Lok Sabha ki opposition leader loinana Congress ki luchingba Rahul Gandhi ki khongchet kamari lenana MPCC na sem saba loikre Congress party ki maigai ki thadorakhiba Rahul Gandhi ki tentative schedule gi matungina Rahul Gandhi Hayeng ayuk pung 8 ka minute tara mga chatpa matamda akhan ba flight amada Assam ki Silchar airport ta thunglagani madugi matung kachhar gi Furlaltalda Chatuna, Mafamadugi, Thalai in Youth Care Center, the Hangba Relief Camp, the Lady Ba, Mio Singa Unaduna, Wari Sanarabamatung, Ayukipung Taramatuig minute ni Fumanga, Chatpamatamda, Jiribam da Thunglabaga, Jiribam Higher Secondary School, the Hango Relief Camp, the Lady Ba Mio Singa Su Unaduna, Awanungai Pukmen, Pauminagani. Makata na Jiribam the Imphal International Airport, Nungtilpung Taramatuiga minute ni Fumanga, Tabamatamda. Thunglabamatung Churachandpur da Chatuna Relief Camp sing the Lady Ba Mio Singa Unagani. Churachandpur da Halaklabamatung da Amukhana Pubala High School gi Relief Camp the Chatkani. Relief Camp sing the Lady Ba Mio Singa Unarabamatung Imphal da Laktuna. Raj Bavanda Numidang Pung Taruk Tabamatamda Governor Anusuiya uikey unaduna State Sigi Oiriba Pibam Singi Matangda Wari Sanagani. Mahaki Khongchet Loishilamdai Paumi sing the Wangang Laba Matung. Lakano Gidamak Numidang Pung Taret ka minute Tarata Matamda. Congress to Chingba si Imphal Thadoklagani. Panbayay Chamaga Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhal Mamang Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Mikhal Mamang Su Rahul Gandhi Erang na Sokalaba State asida laktuna Miyam gi khudong chadaba sing yengsin kibani. Amarom da mahaki khongchet asiga mari lenina CLP gi luchingba Okram Ibobi MPCC gi President Kaisa Mega Chandra Congress Working Committee gi mihut Gaikhangam MPCC ki Working President KH Debabrata amade Youth Congress Manipur ki President Popilal ngasi Silchar da Thunglakhibaga loinina Rahul Gandhi ki khongchet asigi sem sariba singing sinkre.
The Honorable Opposition Leader of Lok Sabha, he is coming to Manipur by a special flight tomorrow, that is on 8th July, Monday. Tomorrow morning he is reaching at Silchar Airport, and after that he will go by road to Jiribam district. After that he is coming to Imphal and will go by road to Churachandpur district, the place where affected by the violence. And after that coming from Churachandpur to he will lead to Bishnupur district. There also he will meet the inmates in the different relief camps. After meeting all the inmates in the different relief camp in Jiribam district, Churachandpur district and the Bishnupur district, he will lead to the office of the Honorable Governor. He will meet the Honorable Governor Anusuiya.